I have the type of ADD where if I don't get something done weeks in advance, it will absolutely never get done. I started practicing my Easter brunch recipes, and if you're like me and want something that's perfectly sweet and savory, this recipe's for you. Get started by scrambling 2 eggs with some butter in a pan set on medium-low. When they're all scrambled and ready to take off the heat, that's when you add your marshmallow peep. Set up a sriracha-lined plate, which is going to look phenomenal for presentation and give it some spicy notes. Don't forget to top your peeps with lots of these sprinkles that only the best moms keep in their pantries. You can shop the Sip Bite Go Amazon store if your pantry is lacking these beautiful sprinkles. Well, I have so many other breakfast and Easter brunch recipes coming your way. Check out sipbitego.com, and if you make these, please let me know. Have a wonderful day. Cheers!